agency ng government must always coordinate with the local government. Kasi kung hindi, ako may wala nakita, pero hindi ko sa kumuha naman. Sir, hindi ko sa kumuha naman. Ilaw, ginawang kalsada. Wala ko siya pigilan na kasi ang may problema natin, ilaw, luminibis, ilaw, nababara, ilaw, nilalan din ng facility like pumping station, yung pinamamahay. And yet, ilaw, ginawang kalsada. That is something. May concern ba kami? As Manila, hindi naman sa Manila yun. Let me call your attention. All those water coming from the east, lahat ng discuss dito na tubig, kami po ang sasalo sa Manila. Sa amin po uuwi lahat yan. Kaya the more progress in the east, Manila will suffer to be. Kaya dito po sir sa sponsor. We're very happy today. Mr. Roman, the SNC will do something about it. And strength private money. And I can speak on behalf of my fellow mayors. I, on behalf of the city of Manila, pagkaya po nila, of course, welcome to Mayors of Manila. Thank you very much. Even if I saw it during my time in first time to Mayor in Pasig River, Mandala area. I was there. I saw what people. And I know they will be also. It will have